Hi everyone, welcome back to PerparimLabs. Today we are diving into how to grant just-in-time admin access using Microsoft Entra Privileged Identity Management, or PIM. This is a core part of Zero Trust, enforcing least privilege while keeping your environment secure and compliant. Let's start with why PIM is so important. Permanent admin rights create constant risk. With PIM, you replace standing access with just-in-time access. That means admin rights are temporary, approved, and auditable. It enforces least privilege by default, ensuring no one, not even admins, should have unlimited access all the time. So how does just-in-time access actually work? First, the role is assigned as eligible. When a user needs it, they must request activation. Depending on policy, this might require approval, justification, or MFA. Once approved, temporary access is granted, and it expires automatically. Simple, intentional, and secure. Here is an example. We assign a user to the user administrator role in Entra PIM. Notice it's marked as eligible, meaning they don't have ongoing privileges. They can only activate the role when needed. And for higher control, you can set a specific time window instead of leaving it permanently eligible. From the user side, they open Privileged Identity Management and view their eligible roles. To activate, they click Activate, provide justification, and complete MFA if required. Access is only granted for the configured time window, and everything is lodged for auditing and compliances. Once activated, the difference is clear. For example, Sophia Davids can now see the new user option under User Administrator, something she couldn't before. This confirms that the role is active, privileges are granted, but only for the approved time window. That's just-in-time access in action, secure, temporary, and full auditable. With PIM, you can eliminate standing admin privileges, enforce MFA and justification, and ensure everything is lodged. It reduces insider risk, prevents accidental exposure, and strengthens compliances. Start using Microsoft Entra PIM to protect your privilege roles, especially in hybrid or high security environments. Add it to your Zero Trust strategy and secure admins' access with confidence. Thank you for watching, and I see you on the next one.